Need help? Pump up. There you go. Pump up. Nice. Nice fish. You're going the wrong way.
Big.
Nice. Nice trigger. Good job. Good job. Good job.
Thank you.
Hey guys. Well, this will be my first ever catch and cook. Got a triggerfish here, and Anna wants to have the triggerfish for lunch, and as a good husband you do as the boss says. So here's the triggerfish we caught, and from what I've done before was I gut it and I put it on the grill, 8 to 10 minutes per side, and after that the skin should just peel right off and should have nice pretty white meat. So the grill's hot, let's give it a try. Trying to get that temperature right about the 400 degrees. Okay, just flipped it over. Now it's time for the other side for 9 to 10 minutes at 400 degrees. Okay guys, got it cooked, and skin should peel right off and have some beautiful meat. Oh, there it is. Look at that beautiful white meat. Look at the steam coming off of that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Got a little yellow rice. Okay. Okay, there's the finished product for lunch. Beautiful white meat and some yellow rice. My first catch, cook, first catch, clean and cook.